Hey everyone, we've got a new brand here at Northridge 4x4, and that is Distinction Applied. And if you haven't heard of Distinction Applied before, their specialty is OE color match accessories and covers. They make hood bumper covers, they make keyhole covers, they make hinge covers, they even do OE color match cowl panels. Now we're really excited to have Distinction Applied on board here at Northridge 4x4 because their products make it easy to add more color to your Jeep. They're easy to install, and because they are OE color matched, it's gonna match your Jeep. So you order a Mojito cowl panel for your Mojito Gladiator, you know it's gonna match. Now we can continue talking about their products, or we can just show you how easy it is to install it. Their keyhole covers, they're magnetic, so they go right in place. The hood bumper covers, you're gonna slide it right in, align up the back, and then push down on the front. Boom. Now we're really excited about the door hinge covers because if you've had a Jeep for a while, you know why you want hinge covers, because of all the little chips. Now this Gladiator only has 1,200 miles on it, and you can already see the various chips happening on these door hinges. Now the main piece, that's just gonna snap right into place. This small lower piece, that's gonna go down here, and we need to remove this lower bolt. So you need to bring out your Jeep toolkit. We're gonna open it up, pull out your ratchet, and then we want this little bit right here. This is your T50 bit. And that's gonna go right underneath and unscrew it. We're gonna take our cover, slide it right up and over, and then we take our bolt and screw it back in. Now, if you live in the Rust Belt or anywhere where you get a lot of muck and mud, you wanna make sure you throw a little anti-seize on it. Then you're gonna wanna wash, rinse, and repeat with the other hinges. Now, the first thing we need to do is remove our windshield wipers, and you've gotta get these little covers off. Use a little panel tool to pop them off. But if you have a brand new Jeep like this Gladiator, sometimes they're a little tough to get out of there. So I'll grab a pocket knife and very carefully go right in underneath, and those covers pop right off. Then you want to grab your OE Jeep toolkit. We want to grab the ratchet out of there, and then you want this tool right here. That's a 15 mil socket. And let's pull the wiper nuts off. Now you pop these guys up and give them a little wiggle, and they pop off. Now if you get a real tight one, especially when the Jeeps are new, you want to grab a little mallet, and we're going to tap right on the end of that as we're pulling. Then you want a panel popper tool. We're going to go very carefully right under the edge. And once you get halfway across, you'll want to start on the other side. And off it comes. Now you want to look carefully if you've got any of these clips left down inside. You want to very carefully pop them out. And now it's a great time to do a little cleaning while we're in here. And the new Distinction Applied cowl goes right in place. Make sure you line up all your little clips. So now when your wipers go back on, to make sure you get them in the right place, slide it down on the spline and then set your wiper down. That's obviously not right. So let's go down a little bit more, and that lines up just perfectly. And we'll screw our nut down a little bit, and then we're gonna lift this back up just to let it relax. Then we put our little caps back on. So there you have your Distinction Applied OE Color Match Cowl installed. And you can see it was pretty easy and it didn't take us too long. So let's just take a quick look. There's our OE black cowl. And of course, you know, these don't stay black for very long. Once they're out in the sun for a while, they start turning gray. And here's our new Distinction Applied OE Color Match cowl. And yeah, Jeeps just look better with a color match cowl. So if you're looking to add more color to your Jeep, well, check out the OE Color Match accessories from Distinction Applied. We've got them here at Northridge 4x4. You'll find them down in the links below in the description box. Thanks for watching today. We'll see you again soon.